The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for Southeastern Avoyelles Parish in central Louisiana, north central St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:05 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Big Cane, or near Morrow, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near DuPont around 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Semisport at Big Bend around 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.